Alright.
Hi, my name is Justin Solicue and I am an artist. And today, this is a very special drawing. I'm drawing for Dreamboy. Para support na lang, hindi ko naman talaga kilala yung mga tao. But, however, it's an LGBTQIA film and it's a very timely film where it seems that you're telling the story of a person with feelings where normal na siya, hindi siya, alam mo yun, hindi siya abnormal na tao na kailangan mo pa ipaglaban ng espasyo niya. So, ang fresh nung nakita ko sa teaser and I really hope to see this film and I really hope you see the film as well. This is by Rodina Singh. She is a member of Babaylan which I used to apply for. Nasa likod niya is maybe maybe Tony Labrusca there. with longer hair. But anyway, alam niyo nasa likod natin ng universe minsan. So, congratulations sa inyong R18 na rating. So, makikita na kayo sa mga sinihan. Drawing is about is Red Riding Hood, parang gayified, pero kasi the fact na parang ang daming pinagdaanan ng filmmaker, ang daming pinagdaanan ng character dun sa film, parang timely na gawin ko siyang drawing. So, I hope magustuhan nila and support them. Bye!